Today, everyone, palakpakan! So today natin ang birthday, no? So welcome here in San Matandaan. Pagkahanap ko in 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday to you! Louder! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Okay, Sir Jomar, happy birthday, sir. Together with Jollibee and Dad, or with Royal especially, Jollibee Group, at lahat ng ating mga customer dito sa loob. And a birthday candle, Sir Jomar. Yun, palakpakan. Happy birthday to you. Thank you so much, everyone. Maraming salamat po sa Jollibee and Dad. Hindi po kami magsasawang magpapasalamat sa inyo lahat.